Hey guys, and there it is, BMW Ultimate Atlantic. So, that's all good. And here we go. Now, for me, one of the most important reasons for tyre choice is this time of the year, where there are leaves, slightly greasy roads, and just generally bad conditions. Tyre choice for me becomes ultimately critical. Because we still want to be able to ride like we stole it. So let me give you the sample. Ride like we stole it. But we want to do it safely. So when I do pull on the front brake, then both the front and the rear stop me progressively. And tyre choice helps with that. Also, making certain that the tyre pressures are always correct is important, and then also doing physical checks of them to make certain that you haven't done any damage to them while riding. Checking your rims, because that's what happened to me. I had to replace a rim because I got a ding in it, and the ding could be felt at high speeds, and because I do a lot of high-speed touring and do a lot of riding across multiple countries, then I don't ever need to worry or be concerned about my tyres. So doing regular checks to make certain that your rims are perfect. Every time you ride, always make certain that your tyres are correctly inflated, because that has a performance issue on not only the way that she handles and keeps you safe, but also on fuel costs. So poorly inflated tyres can cost you, believe it or not, up to about 10 to 12 miles per gallon for incorrectly inflated tyres. I've been in a position where I have exactly been in that position. So I have been in that position where poorly inflated tyres have cost me a lot of miles off my fuel consumption. So I'll show you the Bosch tyre inflator I carry. I also carry a battery pack. Now the battery pack that I carry is a Nocco, so it uses it gives me the ability to jump start my bike if for any reason she runs out of battery. Now, because she is keyless, she will always be searching for a key, so that's always using a little bit of battery. So if you don't have access to a power mains in the garage, I don't, then potentially she could run out of battery if left for long periods of time. So if you can't put a battery trickle on or a trickle charger, then you need to look at alternatives. I use the Nocco charger. It means that I can start a K1600 no worries. It comes with all the battery leads, so you can connect everything in. I'll show that under one of the videos when I'm doing all the kit that I use and all the equipment I carry, because having the ability to cater for all potential incidents is always a good thing. Now, the Nocco also doubles up, which means I can also charge my iPhone. But I don't need to, because I've got the adapter here that allows me to plug into my auxiliary port, and then I have a Wonderlic bag that I'm not using today, but I will put up, and you can see it. Then I put my phone in there, attach the cable to it, and there I am, my phone's charging. So I like equipment and gadgets that are multifunctional and have multiple uses. I don't have limitless storage, but I have more than enough storage for what I need to use and how I need to use it. So it's making certain that if my tyres need inflating, I can inflate them. If I need to charge them, I can charge them. If I'm traveling and my laptop needs charging, using this, I can plug in my external converter, and then I can start charging my laptop, because it gives me an inverter which converts 12 volts into what I need for my laptop, 200, 240 volts. So that's pretty good, and I'll show you these products and share the information, and then what I'll do is, as always, I'll put a link to them underneath. Having enough tools that I need to be able to do any form of emergency maintenance is always important. And I'll show you the toolkit and what I carry with that, and the reasonings why I carry it, and more importantly, where I actually attach it to, because that's important as well. Because on a bike, you don't want to upset the handling, so you need to understand the logistics of how you put and distribute weight across your bike, because that is important. Weight distribution can affect handling, and the one thing you don't want to do is affect handling.